Here's a tour of my backyard. Behind the shed, there's just a bunch of snowblowers. We got 60 riding lawnmowers on the property currently. Roughly 12 snowmobiles. More riders. Zero turn. Chipper, another rider. Another rider. Another rider. More snowmobiles. Quad. Got probably about 12 quads. That shed back there is full of them. Another lawnmower. Go-kart. Four-wheeler. Two more snowmobiles. Tiller. Another rider. There's another rider with a trailer over there. Mountain bike. Polaris hood. Boat. Another boat. Trailer. Trailer. There's a trailer over there on the other side of the boat. Another lawnmower. A pulley swapped 6-speed lawnmower. Another four-wheeler. Boat. Another lawnmower. Another lawnmower. Another lawnmower. Another trailer with a bunch of stuff in it. Another lawnmower. Another lawnmower. Another lawnmower. Another lawnmower. Another lawnmower. Mini bike. Go-kart. Lawnmower. Four-wheeler. Polaris triple. Snowmobile. Side by side. Push mower. Motorized bike. Garage full of stuff. Another lawnmower. And there's 3 riders up here. And a snowblower. Then there's like 3 more trailers in the front yard. Just a bunch of random stuff. Garage has got 2 mini bikes and a motorcycle. Just a bunch of stuff. Oh yeah, there's a 4-wheeler hiding back here. Polaris 325. That's about it.